South Park just proved that teenagers in airsoft arenas are a different breed of unhinged. Rank 3. These guys actually think they're in a real war zone. The bruh count is already off the charts.
Bruh.
Rank 2. Cartman literally getting blasted and pretending the BB hit a leaf.
I got you, Cartman! You didn't get me!
We all know that one guy who never calls his hits. If you've ever dealt with a cheater in Airsoft, you need to hit that sub button right now. But number 1, the absolute satisfying chaos of these teenagers finally losing it. This is peak South Park cinema.
Guys, that was so awesome! You guys are so fucking rules! This is hit! This is sweet!